Mercy Cedar Rapids has opened a new plastic surgery clinic that offers procedures for breast cancer patients. I spoke to one of the clinic's surgeons who aids in restoring patients' confidence after a mastectomy. The new Mercy Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery Clinic is located on the second floor of Hall-Perrine Cancer Center. About 2,700 women learned they had breast cancer in 2020, according to the Iowa Department of Health and Human Services. Dr. Dominic Heffel offers a variety of traditional plastic surgery procedures, but is primarily focused on breast cancer reconstruction surgery for patients who have had a mastectomy.
You're here to make them whole again, because obviously that's what they're worried about, right? They're gonna, well, anyone who has a cancer diagnosis is gonna have a cancer removed is worried about what they're gonna look like afterwards. And for breast reconstruction, the breasts are, something that make a woman, right? And they wanna not lose that. We can make them feel pretty normal.
Dr. Heffel says the internet may cause patients and family members more nervousness and discomfort about breast cancer reconstruction surgery.
When they go and talk to Dr. Google, right? So that can create a lot of anxiety. So you always have to kind of address what they see on the internet. Sometimes they see they can go on Instagram and see some bad things so you have to calm them down.
He recommends going to the American Cancer Society website or microsurgeon.org for more accurate information and advice.